Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the E.T.E Chronicle error code 10001. This error occurs when players try to progress through daily and weekly missions. Some users have reported getting this error after a minor game update. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a glitch on the game's side or a network issue that started appearing after the update. We first suggest you restart your device and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if there are any new updates available for the game. If there are, install them and check if this resolves the issue. If the game is up to date but you still get the error, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. And check if the error still continues. At last, if nothing helps, then the issue could be from the game's end that may get resolved on its own. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.